No, you can have it.
एक बहुत गंभीर मामला है जिसमें न केवल मैं बल्कि सारे देश के लोग चिंतित हैं। रक्षा मंत्री जी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। अभी सीएजी ने रिपोर्ट दी है कि अगर युद्ध होता है तो हमारे पास 10 दिन का गोला बारूद है केवल। सीमाओं पर तनाव है। चीन और पाकिस्तान दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं सब जानते हैं। फिर क्या वजह है कि हमारे पास इतना आर्म्स और एम्यूनिशन नहीं है कि हम 10 दिन से भी ज़्यादा लड़ सकें। और ये चीज़ ओपन हो गई तो जब आप जानते हैं कि बंद मुट्ठी लाख की और खुली मुट्ठी खाक की। तो मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है, यहाँ मत बताइए कि क्या स्थिति है हमारी, लेकिन ये स्थिति से इसको पढ़ के सारे देश के लोग चिंतित हैं। और जो भी खरीद फरोख्त करनी होती है, बोफोर्स के बाद लोग इतने डर गए हैं कि अधिकारी दस्तखत नहीं करते हैं। देश को बचाने के लिए जो भी खरीदना पड़े, जो करना पड़े वो करिएगा, लेकिन देश को बचाने के लिए आप लोग इस मामले में कोई लाएतलाली न बरतें। ये मेरा आपसे
Yes. Honorable Defence Minister. Honorable Defence Minister. No, you sit down. Honorable Defence Minister. Baba Baitiye. Honorable Defence Minister, you sit down. Sit down, Defence Minister, Honorable Defence Minister, please.
Sir, the Honorable Member Shri Ram Gopal Yadav has raised a very important point. A particular report was given in 2013. As a follow-up of that, another report has been submitted recently. It will probably be taken up before the PAC. Normally we don't discuss CAG reports, but I don't want to rest on that technicality. The report has reference in relation to a particular point of time. Substantially thereafter, significant progress has been made.
No, let him explain.
Please,
Let him
significant progress
complete.
has been made. And
Listen to.
till last year. Yes. Thereafter,
Okay, please. No, let him explain. Sit down, let him explain. Misri ji, sit down, let him explain. Misri ji, sit down. Sit down. Yes, please.
it has reference to a particular point of time. Thereafter, procedures have been simplified, powers have been decentralized, and the armed forces are reasonably and sufficiently equipped. Let me assure this House.
Okay, that's enough. No, that assurance is enough. No. He assured.
CAG report, which has been submitted to the Parliament, Honorable Finance Minister, who is also holding additional charge of defence, has responded to what Ram Gopal
No,
Yadav
CAG
said.
report can be
Please,
discussed
sir,
in PAC.
Please, I want specifically to know from the Leader of the House and the Defence Minister that when was this procedure simplified? It was only 10 days before, when the Vice Chief of the Army, a committee has been set up, and the government has now taken a decision to go for emergency ammunition purchases and
Anyhow, Defence
No.
Minister.
It is
No,
not
that's
something
okay.
which is available like you are buying a ice cream in the
No,
market.
please. Okay.
How can you say for 3 years nothing was done? Sir, when Prime Minister,
No, don't.
Honorable Prime Minister,
I am
took
not
oath of
having a
office,
discussion on this.
there was no regular defense.
No discussion on this.
Then Parikar ji came, he was a non-performer, and now
I
again we have
I
this
want to come to
situation.
that.
It's a
I am
defense
not
of the
having a
country.
discussion on this.
Both the borders
No
are tense.
discussion.